Assalamu alaikum. Here I will explain you the starting procedure of ME type main engine. This is our alarm monitoring panel. There is two alarm monitoring panel. Then here is oil mist detector controller. Then main engine control panel monitor.
This is main engine RPM indicator and this one is main engine revolution counter.
Main engine starting air pressure you can check from control room and as well as local also. In carburetor revolution you can check from here. This is our MOP A and MOP B.
Here is our PMI monitor. First check the engine preheating condition. Ensure the jacket pump is running with the required pressure. Here in the alarm monitoring monitor, we can check the jacket temperature here.
Now we have to make sure the lube oil pump is running. You can see here main engine lube oil pump is running. This pump is running for main lube oil and turbocharger. From engine alarm system monitor, we can check lube oil pressure. You can see here lube oil pressure, also jacket pressure is here, lube oil inlet temperature also here. And here is main engine turbocharger lube oil outlet temperature. Here you can see 43. If the turbocharger are equipped with the separate lubricating system, check the oil supply through the side glass. Check the oil pressure, check the oil flow through the side glass. Piston cooling oil and turbocharger. Regarding fuel oil system, ensure fuel oil supply pump and circulating pump is running. You can see from here this FO supply pump is running, FO circulating pump is running. And from this monitor we can see the pressure, the main engine inlet temperature. First we have to maintain the
FO viscosity above 13 CST and we can find the correct fuel temperature in our FO analysis report corresponding that viscosity.
Regarding air starting system, we have to make sure that drain water e-penny from the starting air system. Drain water e-penny from the control air system at the air receiver. Pressurize the air system, check the air pressure. You can check the air pressure from here, main engine starting air pressure. And drain, we have to drain from the air bottle. Always carry out the turning at the latest possible moment before starting and under the wall circumstance within the last 30 minutes. This must be carried out to prevent damage caused by the fluid in the cylinder. Before beginning the turning, obtain the permission from the breeze. First we have to engage the turning gear. Then we have to first go to MOP monitor. Then we change over to the chip level. There is a watchword. Then from here we will go to auxiliaries and then here is prelude. After pressing prelude, here is on is activated. If we now press on, the prelude will start for 12 seconds. Then turn the engine at least one revolution with the turning gear and press the prelude button on the MOP. Then disengage the turning gear and ensure the turning gear is disengaged. And you can check from here by this light, this turning gear already disengage sign is there. Indicator cock is already open and MOP A. Now system option is in chip. So here we can find prepare, start, slow down, auto and air run. Now we want to blow through the engine. So I have to press the air run first, and
After, we have to make sure the engine is in standby mode. When engine in standby mode, the electrical startup hydraulic pump will start automatically. Here you can see the main lube oil pressure and hydraulic oil pressure. For starting, minimum hydraulic pressure is 200 bar.
so now hydraulic pressure is okay, and when this engine on standby, hydraulic pressure will pump will start, and you can see here auxiliary blower 1 and 2. The auxiliary blower also will start automatically. Now from MEP, first we press air run. Indicator cock is closed and air balloon is completed. Now you can see from MOP this system operation is chip, air run. You can find air run, auto and slow down. And you can see here main engine state in standby, and from here if you go the status, there is no alarm. If something wrong, this blue will be red. And now again we go to the operation, and also when engine starting, air pressure is okay, turning gear disengage, both blower are running, there is no alarm on the main engine remote control system, and from the telegraph we can see in the standby position, and now we will ask to bridge for response telegraph. And before telegraph, switch the telegraph, first we have to put here from the MOP, press the auto. Now this telegraph is given to dead solo. Okay, from the bridge they has received the telegraph signal. Now from the fuel control we can put dead solo position the fuel control. Now engine is started. Okay, we are going to stop. Telegraph telling me. Okay, this is stop position, and telegraph also we have put in the stop position. Okay. Already our main engine is tried out, blow through and main engine tried in the forward ahead position. Now already main engine is tried from the control room. Now you can see this fuel control lever in stop position, and engine is stop position, and also standby position here, and control in the control room. Now for bridge, we can put the switch change over to the wheelhouse control. Now they will receive Okay, they already received our wheelhouse command. So now engine is possible to start from the bridge. Thank you. After switch change over to bridge control, this fuel oil control lever we have to put until full. Okay, now they can start from the bridge, no problem.